Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Okay. Example number 1. We have to find out the cube roots of a cube. Find the cube roots of a cube where a belongs to real number. A belongs to real number. Solution. Let x be the cube roots of a cube. Let x be the cube roots of a cube. It implies that x cube is equal to a cube. Therefore, x cube minus a cube is equal to 0. After the factorization, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, means x minus a square, x square plus ax plus a square is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus a is equal to 0 and x square plus ax plus a square is equal to 0. For this purpose, the value of x is equal to a. For x square plus ax plus a square is equal to 0, use quadratic formula. By using quadratic formula, where the value of a is equal to 1, the value of b is equal to a, the value of c is equal to a square. Therefore, x is equal to minus b, plus means radical, b square means 4ac upon 2a. The value of x is equal to minus b means minus a. Plus means radical, b square means a square minus 4, a जो value 1, c जो value a square upon 2 into 1. The value of x is equal to minus a plus means radical, a square means 4a square minus 3a square upon 2. 3a square means minus a plus means iota a radical 3 upon 2. The value of x is equal to a is common. Minus 1 plus means iota radical 3 upon 2. So this will be x is equal to a minus 1 plus iota radical 3 upon 2. Third root of x is equal to a minus 1 means iota radical 3 upon 2. So condition is that x is equal to a, previous one, x is equal to a omega and x is equal to a omega square. Therefore, the roots of a cube are a omega square. Example number 2 is find the cube roots of minus 1 to 5. Solution. Let x be the cube roots of minus 1 to 5. let x be the cube roots of minus 1 to 5. It implies that the value of x is cube is equal to minus 1 to 5. Or we can say that x cube is equal to minus 5 whole cube. Therefore, x cube plus 5 cube is equal to 0. So, this is according to a cube plus b cube. This will be a plus b. A square means ab plus b square. So, this will be also a plus b means x plus 5. A square means x square minus ab means 5x plus b square means 5 square is equal to 0. So either x plus 5 is equal to 0 or x square minus 5x plus 5 square means 25 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to minus 5. But for x square minus 5x plus 25 is equal to 0, use quadratic formula. For quadratic formula, the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 25. The value of x is equal to minus b, plus means radical. B square means 4ac upon 2a, the help of the quadratic formula. The value of x is equal to minus 5, plus means radical, minus 5 square means 4, into 1 into 25 upon 2a is 2 into 1. The value of x is equal to 5, plus means radical, 25 minus 100 upon 2. So 25 minus 100 means minus 75. This will be 5 plus means radical minus 75 upon 2. Minus 75 means minus 25 into 3. 5 plus means minus 25 into 3 upon 2. The radical of 25 is 5, minus 1 iota square means iota. So this will be 5 plus means 5 iota radical 3 upon 2. If we take the minus as a common, the x is equal to minus 5 common. The remaining is minus 1 minus plus iota radical 3 upon 2. So the value of x is equal to minus 5 omega and value of x is equal to minus 5 omega square. Therefore, the cube roots of minus 1 to 5 are x is equal to minus 5 omega and minus 5 omega square. This is the answer. So according to the MCQ number 1, the cube roots of minus 8 are, so first of all, any number will find it's the third root, means cube root. So you can say that minus 8 is equal to minus 2 power 3. So their roots are minus 2 omega, minus 2 omega square. This is a plus 2 omega. Though this will be the correct minus 2 omega square. B is the correct option. Here the cube roots of 27. So you can say that 27 is equal to 3 power 3. So this will be 3 omega square, 3 omega. This one should be the correct option. So the cube roots of 7 to 9. 7 to 9. So first of all you have to make the decision. So what is the cube root of 7 to 9? So you can say that 7 to 9 is equal to, I think, 9 cube. So roots will be 9, 9 omega square. So this will be the correct answer. So the cube roots of minus 64. Similarly, minus 64 is equal to minus 4 cube. So roots are minus 4 omega square. B is the correct option. Okay. MCQ number 5. 7 plus omega into 7 plus omega square is equal to the question mark. A, it is 40. B, 42. C, 43. D, minus 43. MCQ number 6. 1 plus omega square power 18 is equal to what? A, it is 0. B, it is minus 1. C, it is 1. D, it's minus omega, just like. Okay. So according to the MCQ number 5, after having the multiplication 7 7th 49, 7 into omega square, 7 omega square, omega into 7, 7 omega, omega into omega square, omega cube. So you know that 49, 7 is a common, omega square plus omega cube. So omega plus omega square, the value minus 1, the value of omega cube is 1. So this will be 49 plus 7 into minus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 41 means 50. 50 minus 7, 43. So 43 is the correct answer. Where is this one? Okay. Next is 1 plus omega square power 18. So condition is that you know that 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Here is the combination of 1 plus omega square, means 1 plus omega square is equal to minus omega. So instead of 1 plus omega square, we will substitute the value of minus omega. So 1 plus omega square power 18 is equal to minus omega power 18. Now the minus omega having even power, the minus omega will be converted into the plus omega. This will be omega power 18 or omega cube power 6 or 1 power 6 is equal to 1. So means 1 plus omega square 18 is equal to 1. This is the correct answer. We have to find out the MCQ numbers 7. Find the MCQ, the cube roots of 7 are. So how we can write the cube roots of 7? First of all, you should make the relation of 7 with respect to the cube. So A is the option. Option is omega, 1 omega square. B is the option 7 omega square. D is the option 7 power 1 upon 2, 7 power 1 upon 2 omega, 7 power 1 upon 2 omega square. This is option related to the C. And D is the option 7 power 1 upon 3. 7 power 1 upon 3 omega. 7 power 1 upon 3 omega square. So 7 power 1 upon 3 also can be third root, also third root. So the cube roots of 7. So first of all, the number, we select such kind of number whose third root can be deducted out. Here 7 can be written as 7 power 3 into 1 upon 3. So this will be 7 power 1 upon 3 whole cube. So cube root of 7 is equal to 7. Also we can write this 7 third root of 7 whole cube. So this will be third root of radical 7, third root of 7, radical 7 omega, and third root of radical 7 omega square. So D is the correct option. Topic is equation reducible to the quadratic equation. Equation reducible to the quadratic equation means, if we say that directly it's not a quadratic equation, after substitution any kind of value, it can be reduced in the quadratic equation. Just like, for example, if x power 7p plus x power x power 7p upon 2 plus 3 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Then what is the value of p? P is equal to what? So solution or answer can be A, P is equal to 2 upon 7, B, P is equal to 1 upon 7, C, P is equal to 3 upon 7, D, P is equal to 2. So we have to deduct out the value of P. That what should be the value of P? Then it should be the quadratic equation. Suppose it is a 2 upon 7. When we substitute the value of P 2 upon 7, it will be x power 7 into 2 upon 7 plus x power 7 into P 2 upon 2 into 7 plus 3 is equal to 0. Here 2 cancel, 7 cancel, 7 cancel. The remaining will be x square plus x plus 3 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. So A is the correct option, 2 upon 7. When we substitute the value of 1 upon 7, it will be x power 1 upon 2, which is not a quadratic equation. So therefore, when we substitute the value of P is equal to 2 upon 7, it will give the shape just like x square plus x plus 3 is equal to 0, which is according to the quadratic equation, means A is equal to 2 upon 7.